Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by today. So today I've just got a little haul for you. There's not much here, so it shouldn't take too long, probably not even 5 minutes. So the first thing is I got 2 more of those brushes that I bought last time. So they're the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Easy as 1, 2, 3 Shadow Duo. I really like them. So they're just backup brushes. So that's that. What else do we have here? So yeah, I got this as well. It's the MaxFactor Miracle Veil Radiant Loose Powder, and I thought this could be a dupe for the Hourglass one. I don't think it is. It's a completely different colour. I have got it on today, but I can't really give you my overall feelings on it, just purely because I put it on just to set my under eyes, and they don't look cakey, I don't think. No, they don't look cakey at all. Obviously my lines are very prominent. My lines are very prominent here, but it is quite brightening. So I'm gonna use it. I'll probably put it out in my next shop, my stash, and use it for a week or two, and then I'll give you my overall thoughts. The reason I got it is because it said it was a radiant loose powder, and it kind of reminded me of what the Hourglass one is, at a fraction of the price. I think this was about £12. Then I got this. And they made a bit of a mistake with it. I ordered 2 of them. So they're the Fresh Face Cheek and Lip Tint with Aronia Berry, Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid. And this one is in... oh yeah, Peach Glow. And they're from Barry M, and it's marketed as Holiday Skin in the Tube. These dewy blendable tints give a gorgeous flushed finish and are infused with Aronia Berry to protect, Vitamin C to brighten, and Hyaluronic Acid to plump and moisturise for a real life healthy glow. So I'm looking forward to using it, but I did order another one, a slightly darker one. I can't remember, Rose Glow I think it was called. And they didn't put that one in the packet, so I've had to reorder it. So, the only problem is you get so much out when you're squeezing it. So I'm going to do you a little swatch. Can you see how much comes out? But they're very, very glowy, which is my kind of blush. It is really, really glowy. And yeah, I'm looking forward to using it. I just don't like... when you squeeze it, a ton comes out, more than a face, probably more than you need for 3 faces. But look how glowy that is. It's so nice. It does remind me of the Flower Beauty ones at a fraction of the price. I think they're £4.99 these, whereas the Flower Beauty ones are £8.99. So yeah, it reminds me of that, and this would be a good mixer for the one that I've got by Flower Beauty in the shade Pinch, because this one is more like a peach and that one is a lot lighter, so I feel like they'll really be a nice combo together. So I might try that next week. I might pull them both in the shop, my stash, and try it, and then I've got to wait a few weeks for the other one to come in. Once it does, I'll talk to you about that as well. And I ordered a slightly dark one so that I could mix this as well. But yeah, I think... right, I won't pick it up, it's fallen on the floor. I think they're really good value for money at £4.99. So yeah, there's that one, and then there's just one more thing. Actually no, there's 2 things. So I thought this would be a great summer colour, and I've actually seen people on YouTube use it. So this is the Sally Hansen Colour Therapy with Argan Oil in the shade Reflection Pool. And it's blue, but it's got like a duochrome, a hint of purple. I don't know if you can see it in the bottle, but there's purple coming through here, and I can't wait to use that. I'm loving duochrome at the moment, and I've got a few of these duochrome nail polishes now, mainly from Revolution. So yeah, I can't wait to try it. It was a little bit more expensive than I wanted. I think it was like £9–10 for a nail polish, and I don't like... yeah, it was like £9–10, and I don't like to spend that amount of money on a nail polish. You can get a palette from Revolution for that, but it is a beautiful nail polish. So I'm going to put this on tonight, and you'll probably see it in future videos. So that's that. And then the last thing, I've been umming and ahhing about this lipstick for so long. I don't need a lipstick, but this one, guys, it's absolutely stunning. So it's the Pure and Barbie Iconic Lips Signature Semi Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade Innovator, so it's the really nice mauve tone shade. And it says, show the world your most iconic look with this semi-matte lipstick that gives off saturated, long-lasting colour. This Pure and Barbie lipstick was created to brighten up your look this season while leaving your lips soft as satin. It says apply a lip liner. I'm not going to do that. This is the reason I've got no lipstick on. I've just filmed this look that you're seeing with the Colourpop Coaster Coral. And I said in that video that I'm going to put a lipstick on in the next video, and this is why my lips have no lipstick on. I'm hoping it's going to be a nice colour for me. I saw it and I just couldn't resist, and also it had gone down in the sale. A few pounds had been knocked off it. I mean, guys, look at that packaging. It is absolutely stunning. Then it's got a little Barbie on it there, and then it just says Pure X Barbie there. So yeah, we're gonna see how it looks on my lips. Oh yeah, and then on the actual bullet there it says Pure X Barbie as well. Oh, it's got a little Barbie's head here. Oh, and then Pure and Barbie. It's a little bit grazed there though. I thought it was a bit odd though, because the packaging of the box came a little bit trash, can you see there? But I think that's how they've been handling it when they've put it in the parcel to send it out to me, so I'm not too worried about it. It's definitely not been used, so I'm just gonna put it on that. I don't really want to. I don't want to ruin that Barbie's head. I'm going to though. I mean, I bought it to use it, so let's go ahead and do it. Oh my gosh, that is such a gorgeous colour. That's really, really stunning. So yeah, I really like that. Maybe it's not the best to go with this particular eye look. Maybe a more nude would have gone better, but I wanted to actually put it on with this eye look. How beautiful is it? Who has got these lipsticks? If you've got any of these lipsticks, let me know. They do a red one. I saw some influencers sent the PR parcel and they do a red one, but when I went and had a look, they only had this shade that I actually wanted. I think they had a lighter one and then this shade, and it looked a lot lighter than this, but I really do like this shade. It's absolutely stunning. Yeah, I'm glad I got it. Because like when it came just before, I'm like, should I have really splurged on a lipstick? I've not bought lipsticks that expensive for a very long time, for a good few years now. Normally I stick to drugstore, and I think that was around £20, and although £20 isn't a lot for a lipstick, it's still a high-end lipstick, and you know, I was kind of like, should I have really bought it? But yeah, I should have. I mean, this colour is amazing. So guys, this concludes the video. It's only a quick haul. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please let me know if you've tried that lipstick, or let me know what your favourite lipstick is at the moment. I would love to know, drugstore or high-end. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This concludes the video. Please like, it really does help out the channel. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to welcome you into our crazy little fam. Please share and also comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.